Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Easy Weeknight Dinners. In the whirlwind of modern life, weeknights often become a battleground between hunger and time constraints. Busy schedules leave little time for meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking. Many people find it easier to grab fast food or order takeout, rather than preparing a nutritious meal from scratch. Not everyone feels confident in the kitchen. Some people may feel intimidated by cooking and opt for convenience foods or pre-packaged meals that are often less nutritious, rather than adding stress to their lives and trying a new recipe. After a long day at work or other commitments, cooking may feel like an exhausting chore that is the last thing you want to do. Fatigue and stress can lead to opting for quick and convenient options rather than taking the time to prepare a balanced meal. But some nutritious meals can be just as quick to make as the pre-made meals. For many, access to fresh and affordable ingredients may be limited, making it challenging to create nutritious meals. This can be exacerbated by factors such as living in a food desert or having a limited budget for groceries. But fear not, weary warriors. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of efficiency, you can conquer dinner dilemmas and emerge victorious with these quick and easy recipes tailored for even the busiest of lifestyles. Speedy Stir-Fry Sensation. Ingredients: 1 pound of your choice of protein, such as chicken breast, tofu, or shrimp. 2 cups of mixed vegetables, could be bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas. 2 cloves of garlic that you have minced. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and cooked rice or noodles for serving. Instructions: heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over a medium-high heat. Add the protein and garlic, stirring frequently until the protein is cooked through. Toss in the mixed vegetables and continue to cook until they are tender but crisp. Drizzle with soy sauce and sesame oil, tossing to coat evenly. Serve over cooked rice or noodles for a satisfying and nutritious meal in minutes. Total cost between £6 and £13. Zesty one-pan chicken and veggie bake. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2 cups of your favourite vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, courgettes. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking sheet or pan with olive oil. Arrange the chicken breasts and vegetables on the prepared pan. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Bake for 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve hot, garnished with fresh herbs if desired. Total cost £7 to £12. Mouthwatering Mediterranean Quinoa Salad. Ingredients: 1 cup of quinoa, rinsed, 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, 1 cucumber diced, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup of olives sliced, 1/4 cup of feta cheese, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a medium saucepan, bring the water or broth to a boil. Add the quinoa, reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork and let it cool slightly. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives and feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, dried oregano, salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the quinoa salad and toss to combine. Serve immediately or refrigerate for later, enjoying the flavours of the Mediterranean with every bite. Total cost £4 to £9. With these quick and easy recipes at your fingertips, hectic weeknights can transform into moments of culinary triumph. Say goodbye to takeout menus and hello to homemade goodness that nourishes both body and soul. So whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned chef, embrace the joy of cooking and savor the satisfaction of a delicious meal made with love, even on the busiest days. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.